With hackers always trying to steal your data, it's important to have the right tools to stay safe. Luckily, there are some amazing apps that can really keep your phone protected. So first, try Norton Mobile Security. It's known for keeping your phone safe from viruses and hackers. Another great app is McAfee Mobile Security, which offers both virus protection and features to help you find your lost phone. If you want something free, try Avast Mobile Security. It's easy to use and keeps your phone safe from online threats. You can also go with Kaspersky Mobile Antivirus, which is a trusted name in cybersecurity and keeps your phone safe from all kinds of threats. And finally, Bitdefender Mobile Security is a powerful app with great tools to protect your privacy and your data. So these apps are going to give you the peace of mind that you need when you use your phone. You're not going to be worrying anymore. Protect yourself today. And I'll put this all in the description so you can look them up one by one, check out which one's the best for you. And if you like this video, leave me a like. Love ya.